I got a question for you. When it comes to Zoom, are you still fatigued or are you cool with it now? All right. So check this out. In this video, I'm going to talk to you in the next 2 to 3 minutes about what's going on. I'm starting a new thing. I'm your boy Remiah, by the way. All right. And I do the Fab Show live, but I'm going to start doing little short 2 to 5 minute segment videos talking about trending things that's really going on in the world right now today and how it affects us as entrepreneurs. Okay. So according to Forbes, all right, Zoom CEO Yaun says that his Zoom fatigue is gone as he launches a new tool for the hybrid office future. Okay. So basically saying that the new office is going to be hybrid in the future. What does that mean? It means some people will be working from home part-time and then also working from the office part-time. Some people might work from home full-time. Some people might work from the office full-time. But it's going to be a hybrid. It's going to be a mixture. Okay. And I kind of want to talk about how does that affect you and how does that affect your business? Is it good? Is it bad? Me personally, I like it. I'm going to tell you why. I like it. Because I'm cool with putting on my hat, throwing on my hoodies, and chilling. You know what I'm saying? And I don't say chilling in the sense of not working, because we're still working, we're still grinding, we're still getting stuff done. But I'm in the comfort of my own home. My commute time is gone to zero. You know, actually, it's about 3 minutes to walk up the steps. Okay. After work, I don't have to be in traffic. I can take myself downstairs and chill on the couch. When I get hungry, I can go grab food. Like, I'm saving money in a bunch of different places, but I do miss the face-to-face interaction. I love Zoom, but I miss the face-to-face interaction. So I like the idea of this hybrid situation. When there's an opportunity to go and mingle, to go and network, to meet with clients who are local. I'm going to start back taking those opportunities. I've actually already started. I met with somebody last week at a coffee shop. I've started back doing those things, but I like the fact that I don't have to go to the office. I don't have to pay for an office space. So I'm saving money as well. But I want to hear from you. All right. My goal is to keep these short, you know what I'm saying? 2 to 5 minutes. I want to hear from you. Are you, number one, are you tired of Zoom still, or is your Zoom fatigue gone? That's my first question. Drop a comment down below. And then I also want to know, how does this affect your business, the hybrid situation? Is it good for you? Is it bad for you? Let me know as an entrepreneur. Comment down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. It's your boy Remiah. I'm signing out. Be freaking amazing. Peace.